The law of two or law of inquiry. Life always has the answers ready whenever we inquire. The law of two manifests through a binary language, yes no, that is recognized in what is facilitated and what is blocked. This law only responds to questions that are asked by means of action. The universe does not respond to inertia, we must ask about what is meant for us through action. We should not assume anything, but use the ability to inquire. So that we do not stray from the pedagogical processes governed by the law of evolution, by using our free will we will discover that life blocks what is not meant for us, whereas it does allow us to follow that path if, instead, it is meant for us. Our inquiry actions should be directed at obtaining life's response, which may be different than the one we want. Therefore, if we are going to look for a job, we will look at the companies that we like the most as well as at the ones we like the least. Sometimes life has great satisfactions in store for us where the personality refuses to work. Sometimes it is precisely there where we can most serve and be fulfilled as human beings, and the only way to find out is to inquire of life. However, in order to follow a logical order in the process of inquiring of life, it is suggested that we always start our questions by directing them at the things or experiences we would most like to obtain. If after a reasonable period of time we do not obtain affirmative answers, then it is important to inquire about things that we have been refusing to consider as an option for our lives. It is also important to establish time frames for each inquiry, that is to say, that although the initial answer may have been no, it is possible that it is not the right time. So we can ask again in a month, in 6 months, or in a year. Inquiry actions can be very varied, because we can inquire anything of life, from what to study, where to eat, to how to enjoy ourselves, where to travel, where to work or live, what businesses to set up, how and with whom to have relationships, etc. To stay within the law, we must use what we possess and enjoy what life gives us. In this case, I want, as a tool of inquiry, is healthy. If we want something and when we ask for it we receive it, then it was not a simple I want, but a necessity for our function. If, on the contrary, we do not receive it, we will dispose with it, because we are being told that it is not what we need. By doing this exercise we put an end to conflicts and mental dualities. Get more at ultimatemasters.org.